Have you ever felt like your investments were just drifting? Like they were on autopilot, going nowhere fast? That's how many people feel about Raiz investments. But what if you're ready to take control? What if you want to stop Raiz and invest your money somewhere else? Today, we're going to dive deep into how to do just that. We'll cover everything from understanding your options to executing the process smoothly. So, let's get started. Understanding your options. The first step is to understand your options. There are generally two ways to stop Raiz investments. Selling your investments. This means selling all your assets within the Raiz platform and withdrawing the proceeds. Closing your account. This involves closing your Raiz account entirely, which will automatically sell your investments and transfer the proceeds to your linked bank account. Selling your investments. If you choose to sell your investments, here's what you need to do. Log into your Raiz account. Access your account using your login credentials. Navigate to the portfolio section. Look for the section that shows your investments. Select the assets you want to sell. Choose the specific investments you want to liquidate. Confirm the sale. Review the details of the sale and confirm your decision. Withdraw the proceeds. Once the sale is complete, you can withdraw the proceeds to your linked bank account. Closing your account. If you prefer to close your account entirely, the process is usually simpler. Log into your Raiz account. Access your account using your login credentials. Locate the account settings or profile section. Look for the section where you can manage your account information. Find the Close Account option. This option might be labeled differently, but it should be straightforward to locate. Follow the instructions. Raiz will likely provide instructions on how to close your account. Follow these steps carefully. Confirm the closure, review the details, and confirm your decision to close the account. Important considerations. Before you take any action, consider the following. Tax implications. Selling your investments might have tax implications. Consult with a financial advisor to understand the potential tax consequences. Fees. Raiz may charge fees for closing your account or selling your investments. Check the terms and conditions of your account to determine any applicable fees. Time frame. The time it takes to sell your investments and close your account can vary. Be prepared for potential delays. Additional tips. Document everything. Keep a record of all your actions, including emails, screenshots, and confirmations. Contact Raiz support. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to contact Raiz customer support for assistance. Consider alternatives. Once you've closed your Raiz account, explore other investment options that better align with your goals and risk tolerance. Stopping Raiz investments might seem daunting, but with the right information and approach, it can be a straightforward process. By understanding your options, following the steps outlined in this video, and considering the important factors, you can confidently take control of your investments and make a smooth transition to a new platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.